Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So we have a minus b. We want to cancel about the square root, so we need to have the power 2 in here. To create about the power 2, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. Next, this one we can simplify it, and we have like this. So 4 minus 4 we cancel s minus negative s, so we have 2s. S we simplify. Now we put number 0 cone here and here. So we have the final answer. Now we need to simplify this one. And we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.